Hello friends, we are in front of the Swindon Council in the United Kingdom. Guess who is heading this? It is our very own Imtiyaz Sheikh from Vasco, who has become the mayor of this council. Today we are here to talk to him and find out how he has reached this position. Hello friends, we are in so lucky. I'm in London, Swindon, and I have with me the mayor of Swindon, Imtiyaz Sheikh, who is from Vasco, and today he is made Goa proud by he has become the mayor of Swindon Council. Imtiyaz Bab, welcome. It's a proud moment for every Goan actually to think that somebody is a mayor in a different country, the country which ruled India at one time, and today you are the mayor in the council. Just tell us how the journey has been.
Thank you for having me here and interviewing me. Also, welcome to UK and Swindon, to my city. The journey has been amazing. It's an eye-opening. This country is full of opportunities, and it allows you to create the future for the communities that live in the UK and contribute to make this country great.
Imtiyaz, I've been told that you are the most hardworking mayor here, and you have been working continuously busy, working with and doing so many things here. Could you just put a light on some of your works and how it has been?
I'm proud, and I think everybody who's talking that I'm doing a great job. I'm really privileged and honored that I'm making everybody feel that I am people's mayor, and that's the whole point. A mayor has to represent the entire city and the communities that live in the city or the town.
Just tell us one thing: how it is being mayor here, and back home you know how the politics works. So could you just tell me how it is?
I think it's no different. I cannot comment on how the politics is in India. Every country is different, but the politics here is quite simple. It's about being the voice of the people that you represent, and making the right decision, taking the right decisions, and serving the community at all.
Okay. Just tell us, when did you come to Swindon and how did you climb this stairs?
I came early 2004 or end 2003.
Did you know that you would become a mayor one day?
I never thought about it, to be honest. But at an early stage, when you come to the country, you're not too sure what you want. I'm a very common Goan, Susegada. I like my life.
As what here?
As what? As in?
Meaning to do work, meaning...
Yeah, I came to work here. Yeah, as a whole person, the idea was to come...
What was the aim when you came here?
The aim was to
get a job,
have a decent life in the future, get married, have kids, and, flourish. That was the whole point. But at one point, the life gave me a different direction, where I had to decide. It was a difficult choice for me. But then when my wife, Adorable, suggested that this is a good opportunity for you to take that step, because this will allow our next generation to have that courage and choose the right path to move forward, because it's about opening doors and creating opportunities for the next generation. Therefore, I took that step, and since then we're working hard, and along me I've got many other Goan councillors who've come together, and we together serve the community, and we're proud of it.
So you came to Swindon in 2004. Now it's 20 years ago and you don't look that old at all. So the thing is, you must be not knowing what the politics in Goa is. Do you have any idea of how the politics works in Goa?
I do actually. See, I was involved when I used to live in Goa. I was involved to a certain degree in my youth life. However, as I said, look, the politics in India is very different to politics here. It's no point mixing it up, and rather work hard in the country that you're living at this point and do the best with it.
My very important question to you is, we are in Goa back home.
Yeah.
We have been fighting to get more powers to municipalities and panchayats. I've been told by your councillors and that you all have, the council has enough powers to work for the people and get the works done. Could you just elaborate on that?
So basically, the council is very similar to the municipality in India. Yeah, but then here there are human rights. There's a culture where we do not overwrite the council's work that is there in the background, like the officers and the CEO. However, because we are elected by the residents, we take their concerns back in the chamber, we discuss, and then we put forward motions and everything so we can take the right decision, keeping in mind the budget and everything, and then take this forward. So the difference, I don't see, again, as I said, there's no difference. But then what we have to do is...
the powers I'm talking about to serve the people. Are there enough funds to work for the people?
Yeah, there's always funding.
Like in Goa, our municipalities and panchayats always struggle for funds. They have to depend on the government, how much funds they get.
Yeah,
so how does it work here?
So again, very similar issues that we are facing this year. Recently, the Labour administration has taken over the council. The budget is very tight. I don't want to elaborate too much or go into more details, but the budget is always a challenge, no matter which country you are in, always a challenge.
Can you just send a message back home? Do you know how it functions there? There has been a lot of corruption and all those things happening. And recently the Bhutani project, DLF, everything, panchayat and municipalities are all involved. Do you have a message for them, or you would want to keep it aside and...
I don't have a message for the politicians, but I have a message to Goa. Stand strong, stay united. Goa is a beautiful state, and those who are still living there, I know it is sole responsibility on you, but we are here. We'll always stand by you and continue to do what you do. Thank you.
Thank you, Imtiyaz, giving your precious time.
Thank you.
And I know today you are very busy with the Remembrance Day.
Yes.
And we wish you all the best.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thanks for the quick interview. I appreciate that. Thank you.